making some peach cobbler. I'm using 4 cans of these peaches here. And I got one of these by accident, so one of these, 3 of these cans and one of these, so we'll see. This is a quick and simple, easy peach cobbler. And you pour all of the juices in here. Right now, I'm just adding some cinnamon. Let's see. I'm going to add cinnamon. Just a pinch of nutmeg. Just a pinch. You know I don't measure anything. And a little bit of the allspice. See, I don't measure anything. I just kind of put it in here, the allspice, until I think it's enough. And then with a capful of this vanilla flavor, just put this in here. Just a capful. Let me rinse this off. And then I stir this all around. It makes it taste like, you know, homemade-ish. Now what I'm doing is taking the vanilla cake mix, just butter golden. So easy, quick, and simple. Just gonna open this up. My family loves when I make this. And I'm just going to put this all over with the sauce and everything, because the cake mix is going to get in this juice and it's going to soup everything up, but it's going to be so nice. And let me keep this spinning out, Lord. It's going to be so nice and good. I'm telling you, it's so good. And I usually just put the eye on about, what is it, whatever the cake mix says. If the cake mix says put it in 350, that's what I do. I'm just going to just put it in 350. We're not adding any eggs or anything, nothing like that. I'm just going to slice up butter. Let's put this over here. Yeah, we're just going to just cut up slices like this and just place them all over. You might need like a stick and a half, because this gives it its brown topping. Gonna make everything coat so nicely. Now, let's just take all them butter slices and just place it on here like this, all the way down. Alright, and so now I'm getting ready to add this into the oven for, I have it on 365 actually. So, and I'm just going to put it in the oven and we'll come back and take a look at it. Alright, so dinner is made. I made some chicken with mushrooms and gravy, basmati rice, some green beans, if you see them over there, and I made a peach cobbler. It's really good. I let it brown a little bit too long, but I like my toppings brown, so. right. Good night, you all. I will see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It is Wednesday. My auntie is leaving, so I'm getting ready to fix her some breakfast. Well, fix everybody some breakfast. And I think I'm going to use that, from Wildgrain, these orange cranberry biscuits. And I'm going to put, these croissants on too, and make some sausages. Everything I have is beef. Beef sausages, maybe some beef bacon, and fry some eggs. So that's what I'm trying to hurry up to do because they leave at 9. So I want to give them something that they can eat really quick, without coffee is brewing. It's not rainy, but it's cloudy. Looks like snow weather, that type of weather. It looks like that. So it says to put these in. Wash my hands with clean hands, of course. You can put these in the pan. So that's what I'm doing. 400, because this one says 380, and the other one says, this one says 490, 380, 400. So, ooh, these little cranberry biscuits, orange cranberry biscuits from Wildgrain. Again, I'll put the link down. It's that box that I showed in the first vlog. So yeah, I'm excited about these. See, I just have them up here like this. Croissants. This is my little pans that I use. Don't mind the pan. I need to get me some more pans. But yeah, anyway. Look how beautiful these croissants came out. I like mine a little brown. But look how beautiful these croissants came out. Wildgrain.com. I'll put everything in the description box, the link. Oh my goodness. Cranberry orange is still in the oven. Biscuit, so I get hot in here when I'm cooking. Ooh, I have to stand outside. You know how this these hot flashes do. Ooh, a little better today. I put my hair up in a bun. Still have on no makeup, but oh well. Let's see. There's Mama. This morning. So yes, I have some eggs. Oh yeah. So here go Aunt Jo. She's getting ready to leave, you guys.
Oh my God. She got me on camera.
I do have you on camera. They ate their breakfast. Y'all said it was good.
Delicious.
Good.
I'm getting the last little drop.
I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. Y'all enjoyed it. Yeah.
A little tip for you.
You don't have to give me no tip. No, you are my guest. You my auntie. I don't take no. Love you though, but thank you.
Yeah, put that
brother. This is the brother. Best brother ever. Say hey to the people. Look at her. Look, no. They so goofy.
Look. I'm another cousin. That's right,
Hey, I brought you all in my office because I wanted to show you a product that I'm reviewing, and I will let you guys know. It is, let's see, the pumpkin enzyme mask. I have the vitamin C cream, and let's see, the Banish serum. And all of this is by Banish. So I will update you guys. These are the creams that I am just kind of using. And, I usually use, let me see if I can turn it around. Here it is right here. Okay, this is the vitamin C and the mask. And they sent me, let's see, the Banish serum. It says help dark spots. And let me see. Let me put my glasses on. Okay. So, yeah, this says Banish serum, dark spot corrector with vitamin C and E. And this is this right here. And it's like a serum. And here the mask, the vitamin C. You guys know how much I love vitamin C. And this is, the mask. Let me show you. It's an AHA exfoliating mask. And one of the ingredients, though, in this mask is glycolic acid. And it has vitamin C and neem oil, ginger root powder, nutmeg. This is what it has in here. So these are the products that I am currently testing out. I'm testing products now. And stay tuned for what I actually think about these products. I'll be bringing that up very soon. Maybe the next week or two. But you guys know I only give honest opinions on this channel. Honest results. I don't try to lie to you because, you know, I feel like you all value and trust my opinion. So, you know, that's why I always try my best to give honest feedback. Whether it's good or not, you know, that's just what we have to do. Especially when you're dealing with your skin, you know. So, one of my favorite, just wanted to show you, I had another bottle. I'm so glad they sent me this in the beginning. They sent me some more. I love this by Good Molecules, the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This is one of my favorite affordable toners, you know. And it's one, I have another affordable one that is by Youth to the People. But this one right here, let me see if you can see it. This one is by Good Molecules. Okay, that's a really great toner. What I have actually fallen in love with, and I love it. I really like this. It is the Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF by Good Molecules as well. Very affordable. This is the mineral. Let me see if I can turn it right. I always turn things the wrong way. Let me see. Yep, and I did it again. See? Here it is. Good Molecules Sunscreen. Mineral Sunscreen. Love this stuff, guys. I love it. I use it all the time. I use it on my face and my hands. Because, you know, as we age, our hands get a little rough. And sometimes it can show our age on our hands. I was looking at mine the other day. I was like, ooh, and I always wonder why mine look weird when I twist my arm around. I was like, what in the world? I broke my finger years and years ago, my pinky. It seemed like every time, like if I twist it, it looks, you see what I'm saying? So weird. I don't know. Anyway, maybe that's just me. But yeah, I want to bring these to you just to show you some of the products right now. I have a few others, but I'm not yet finished with these. And I have some more products that I need to review. But I just wanted to come on and bring you some affordable products that I really think, like these Good Molecule products, are really, really worth the money. And they're very affordable. I love Good Molecule products because they are affordable and they work. Oh, and let me show you one more product that I like. This is another one, very affordable, by Good Molecules. Discoloration Correcting Body Treatment. So this is for your entire body. Love this. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I had a little scar on my leg, right? And I was using it. Now, I lotion my body every day, and I always really target that area. Honey, I'm sorry. But I was using it, and just one day I looked, and I said, wow. I hit my leg on the door and it's made a mark. And I noticed how well it was diminishing. Like it was disappearing or fading. So I was like, and I had to think about it. I said, oh, I know what I've been using. I was using this. So now it doesn't work like overnight, but over time, I'll say a good month or two, I notice a difference, okay? And just my little scarring on my leg with using this. So just wanted to bring it to you. But anyway, I'm hot. I'm on my break. So I just said, let me just show you this. It's kind of informal skincare talk. But, you know, I wanted to talk about skincare. That's my loves. So anyway, let me go on back to work. Let me see what time is it. Yeah, my break is about over. So it's time for me to go back. Ooh, it is freezing outside, but I get so hot. I have to open up my windows. Honey, this menopause. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few, or I don't know, I might end it right here. I might end the video right here. I'm not really sure, but if I do, I love you guys. Say goodbye.